Well, just like we mentioned right after the election, that we do expect a good result. So I believe we just have to wait till the official result is declared.
By when this official announcement is likely to happen?
Well, I hope within 1 hour or so. By 2:30, by 2:30 to 2:30. Yeah.
Do you expect this much margin lead?
It's a
Well,
landslide victory for you.
True, yes. I mean, this is, I would say that it's a vote for change. It is a vote against, the kind of politics that we've been having in our state for quite some time now.
Is it change against NDP, ruling NDP or Congress?
Beg your pardon?
Change, you are saying, change against the... Do you say that change against ruling NPP or
No.
Congress?
A change against the kind of politics that we've been having in our state for quite some time now.
If you can elaborate more on this politics that you are referring to.
Like I said, let us wait for that, the final declaration, the official announcement of the final results. Then only we would again.
When Mukul left with the MLAs, 12 MLAs, they took along all the party workers. When 5 MLAs, when they took all the workers, it takes time. So, but sometimes I think I've seen in Garo Hills, everybody left. We got the opportunity to revamp the party. So here also, I think now everybody left. I think Manuel is the best example of all. And I'm very confident that the mandate for the MP is not the same for the MLA, it's not the same for MDC. So now for another 4 years, 4.5 maybe, because the delimitation will be there, we'll reposition ourselves. Definitely they left the party, but now we'll have enough time to groom. And maximum of the MDCs who have been taken away, for example, Maukarbat MDC, Mairang MDC, even from Jingpynpaw Hills, they left us in the last moment. That
Kum ka Kyrtong hakaba lang shwa nga kwaban ay kublay kito gi bakersyan ini silak tam kita ki baya kersyan lem yang nga bagay ka parti jungi kwaban congratulate ru ya ka VPP bakalala bakan sar ya kanika constituency jungi hakanika MP election nga kitbak ru bakin la ban syarai pan ya kata kaju kajing job kajungki nomor kanum suk iki bat pindakali yang yaki daw jong kane kajingja kumni nga simet nga ikum ni kadon kapali yaki iki ibro bat kani kapali kadon pat sa kajingbod jong kata kajing rai hakum ka election kumni kalong ti ngikit bok ya ka VPP party balay pin ko nyo ya kata ka election kadi ka election ban upat ba nga budur kila tip balay ki kwa man ya vote kumni bat nga kermen ru baki pat ba kinyo ya kata kajing hun bakila vote kumtu kermen bakasen syaru kan long kumtu ngakit bok ikipat baru kibala jid ya ka VPP ngakit bok iki leaders ru jong ka VPP ngi nakaliang ka sarkar MDA ngidang don ya ka mandate jong ka MLA elections bat ngin ya chakman bat ngin persyang ban penbet ikita kijing bakla tip hangnu ngi bakla ngi kum ka pati ngi abuan bat ngin de bandai kum kita kinong yalam ban penat ne ban keput nganum keput ne nganum syaru ya kajing penat tambah ya kajing penbet ni hapan penbet but ngayo iba kani ka jinja kam day tanga ka state jungi yo i saudong gari India aku marlod taki results jungi pa tile si ngirungi kum kapati kabadon ha ka sarkar hakmat kabayalam ya ka sarkar ni di banwan ka ay kajing duna balay kipat ba kiriak kumne bat ngin persiapkan bala ban syarai ngala WE bat ngakan mau hakini ki sibnai siteng bunyi dang ya up ya kata ka result ngasong jarjar nga pelik jingmut ha kata ka jingwan kumnu try kan ka election kan long but kakam jengai na kata ka jingyo ijo nga but ngam kan dedre namar ba kapali kalong kumni te pinle so kumno ngi ginong yalam te pi la ha kan ka kam ni im ha kan ka kam la bones nam nadu dang kalung kana tingin super siyang mantaman penbet ya kata kacing dom jong kipat ba ini ni habuan balik kipat ba idong ini kati bandan kadang tingin ya wad kata kadang ngam kwa bangan komentan Mario bakla kang bade siya kan yalam kaning ngam kit dongin siya pet di politicians kaway kabang ihap don in large reserves kadang hindi bandang patience ha tingin ha patiently ban pet ya kani namar kaju ka mandate siya garugils kaju ka mandate siya kasiyals tang RC idong nilado ya kita ki connections ki bang inang perkat kendang don ti ngin siya pet kumno kalong but ngin hap ya re-strategize but kamlong surprising na marba kata ka chingdom ti balay ka ni atresi tom katu lalay dala kamen ngala perkhat balay si don kamaya pet masutu man feel ya kapals ting nganget ba kapori ka sabatay kajalabro away kani ka result kadi kiki kabangihap ya syong yung perkat ba hindi tam kinong yalam kipat baru gihapen pat nga kermen ba kanu ka baca kajanang ta kajimba kam day show ka setback tang ya kay NPP tapi la setback lot ya baro ki parti tapi takadaw nga sa pendom kami ka kantin jingdom kidom ya kay kipat ba ni kung kinong yalam kini habban syong sisnem kanti manwat balay kini kipat ba kidom tiki allegation
It's a total miracle for us actually. We never expected that we will be winning with this huge margin, but it seems like there is a divine motivation and I want to praise the Lord for that.
What is your message to the people of Garo Hills? Because you have won nearly in all the 24 constituencies.
Since they have already had a hope with me, I'll definitely try to deliver whatever I can with truth and then, sincerity.
What do you think the factors behind your resounding victory? Because we have never seen such kind of victory from a person who's outside the family of P.S. Sangma.
I think they need a change. Maybe that's the reason why. Because it's very, very long time that nobody could have changed them. But it's the people who have, made their choice and then they have decided to, take a change.
Mr. Sangma, you walked in confidently this morning when I saw you. Did you see all of this coming?
Yeah, because the God was with me. Of course, when God was with me, definitely everybody will have that confidence.
Right.
Not only me.
So there's obviously anti-incumbency, right, on the sitting MP at the moment. Why do you think that's happening?
I won't say anti-incumbency or, a sort fall like that. But if the people is willing to change, definitely they do the change.
And who do you attribute this big win to, sir?
Public, and then all those workers like Madam Devora, Auntie Ferlin, all of them.
From the northeast, after Sikkim where there was a first result, there is a result now in Meghalaya. Yes, Akanksha.
This is the first victory for Congress from Meghalaya. Let's quickly bring you the details. In fact, it's a victory margin of over 1 lakh votes. Saleng A. Sangma has he's in fact...
she's a former MP. She's also the sister of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. And she was the former MP from Tura. And she has lost this time around. Saleng and Sangma has pipped her to this prestigious post, which is a bastion for the Sangma family.
Okay, there you have it. This was a prestige seat as far as Tura in Meghalaya is concerned. As the gentleman here was discussing, Agatha Ke Sangma happens to belong to the prestigious Sangma family, has been beaten by Saleng A Sangma of the Indian National Congress. The victory margin is of over a lakh votes.
Over a lakh votes, yeah.
Over 1 lakh votes, and in Tura. So that was the Sangma
again,
bastion
Conrad,
again.
it's interesting because they split just before the state election, then they came back again as part of the NDA after the election. And again, people are looking at this and saying, boss, don't take us for a ride. Don't take us for granted.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't have an alliance before. You break the alliance just before the election. You fight separately. And then you come back again together. And the person who's been defeated is the sister of Conrad, right? It's a message from the voter.
True. Obviously, it's coming down to the wire now. Uttar Pradesh is the state where I think we should focus our energies
the story
and
is Uttar Pradesh and the story is Maharashtra.
Because that could be the difference between what kind of government we're going to get.